When winter arrives, the wilderness transforms into a frozen battlefield. Temperatures drop below zero, food vanishes, and every single day becomes a fight for survival. While most creatures flee or hibernate, a select few have evolved incredible superpowers to conquer the freeze. From hot-tubbing monkeys to the ultimate frozen kings, here are 10 most incredible animals that survive the harshest winters. Starting at number 10, winter birds. How do these tiny creatures keep from freezing? Many species puff up their feathers to trap pockets of warm air close to their bodies. Some, like the snowy owl, possess thick layers of down feathers extending all the way to their toes, acting as built-in snow boots. To maintain this high body temperature, these small birds must eat constantly, shivering their flight muscles to generate vital heat when the blizzards hit. At number 9, the snowshoe hare. Their survival relies on ultimate stealth. As winter approaches, their fur changes from brown to stark white, blending perfectly with the snow. Even better, their oversized paws act like actual snowshoes, allowing them to sprint across deep snowbanks to escape predators. During these frozen months, their diet shifts to chewing on tough birch twigs, bark, and willow buds buried under the frost. Number 8 is the reindeer. These massive travelers are built for the freeze. Their hooves adapt to the seasons, widening in winter to dig through deep snow for food and to provide traction on ice. Their noses also have a specialized heat exchange system that warms the freezing air before it reaches their lungs. Fascinatingly, a reindeer's eyes actually change color from golden brown in summer to a deep, striking blue in the winter. This rare adaptation helps them capture more light during the dark polar nights, allowing them to navigate safely and spot predators through the most blinding Arctic snowstorms. At number 7, the red fox. Standing out against the white snow, this clever predator uses a spectacular hunting technique called mousing. Using their incredibly sharp hearing, they can detect the heartbeat of rodents moving deep beneath the snow, launching themselves high into the air to dive bomb their prey headfirst. Scientists have discovered that foxes actually use the Earth's magnetic field, like a targeting system, to pinpoint their prey under the heavy snowdrifts. This incredible alignment increases their hunting success dramatically, ensuring they don't starve during the coldest and leanest months of the year. Number 6. The Japanese macaque, or snow monkey. Living in the freezing mountains of Japan, these clever primates found a luxurious way to beat the cold. They spend their winter days soaking in natural volcanic hot springs, keeping their bodies warm while the blizzard rages around them. As they sit comfortably in these steaming waters, they socialize, groom each other, and completely relax. Their thick, heavy coats keep the biting mountain air away from their skin, and when they finally step out of the water, their body heat evaporates the moisture quickly before it can turn into dangerous ice. Number 5 is the muskox. A true survivor from the Ice Age. Their secret weapon is their fur, a dual-layer coat that is stronger and warmer than wool. When a severe blizzard hits, the herd gathers in a tight defensive circle, putting their heavy armored heads outward to protect the young and brave the freezing winds together. Their inner layer of fur, known as keviot, is incredibly soft and holds 8 times more warmth than standard wool. Why standing frozen in place for days during a severe storm? They conserve vital energy, surviving on the absolute minimum amount of dried grass hidden deep beneath the tundra ice. At number 4, the gray wolf. Winter is actually prime hunting season for these apex predators. Their paws can expand to walk easily on snow, and their thick winter coats keep them perfectly insulated. Working as a team, a wolf pack can track and outlast exhausted prey through the deepest snowdrifts. A fascinating biological adaptation keeps a wolf's feet from freezing, as their blood vessels are arranged to warm the pads directly, preventing ice buildup. This allows them to run for hours without stopping, using sheer endurance to wear down larger prey like elk and moose. At number 3. The snow leopard. Inhabiting the brutal, high-altitude peaks of the Himalayas, this phantom of the mountains is designed for the extreme. They have wide paws that act as natural snowshoes and a long, thick tail that they wrap around their faces like a warm blanket when sleeping. To breathe the thin, freezing mountain air, they have developed exceptionally large nasal cavities that warm the icy air before it hits their lungs. Their massive chest muscles also give them the power to leap up to 50 feet across jagged, icy ravines, tracking prey with ghost-like silence. Our number 2 is the polar bear. Their fur isn't actually white, it's translucent and hollow, trapping the sun's heat. Unlike other bears that hibernate, polar bears thrive in the freezing Arctic winter. Combined with a thick layer of blubber, they are so well insulated that their main problem is often overheating, not freezing. Beneath that thick, clear coat, their skin is completely pitch black, designed perfectly to absorb every single drop of warmth from the winter sun. Winter is actually their favorite time of year, as the freezing of the sea ice opens up vast new hunting grounds for them to catch seals across the open Arctic Ocean. And finally, at number 1, the Emperor Penguin. Facing the harshest winter on Earth in Antarctica, where temperatures plummet to -60 degrees, these birds endure the ultimate test. To survive months of freezing winds, thousands of males form a massive, tightly packed huddle, constantly rotating from the cold outside to the warm inside, showing the true power of unity in the frozen wild. Inside these massive bird huddles, temperatures can reach a cozy 37 degrees Celsius, even while a brutal blizzard screams outside. What makes this journey truly heroic is that each male penguin is carefully balancing a single precious egg on its feet, keeping it warm for months without eating a single bite of food. Nature's resilience never ceases to amaze. Which of these winter survivors surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more incredible wildlife journeys, and we'll see you in the next video.